Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. We're going to jump right into this video. Like always, the things that you'll need is a comb. I didn't use the brush and I got my whipped shea butter. So what I'm going to be doing today is basically stretching my hair. If you haven't seen how I got these two braids, then I will link that video down in the description box. But first, you just start out with washing your hair and not allowing your hair to completely shrink and dry up on itself. So that's the first stage, is to wash your hair and put it in some type of braids. That's how you stretch your hair, the very first stage. This is the second step of stretching your hair. So as you can see, you kind of see my pattern, like the little wavy look, but you can see the braid pattern for the most part. If I use better product when I put these braids in my hair will be a lot more shinier and a lot more softer. But trial and error, like I said in the last video, I am just going to continue with showing you guys how I would normally stretch my hair if I'm like trying to do my mini braids or any other stretch style. Like, this is how I will get that look. So I basically just finger detangle my hair. I will separate my hair into two sections. If it's not in these cornrows, it's probably 4 big braids. So just to make it easier for me to actually comb out, I need to get an actual comb, you guys. I honestly don't know where my comb went because I don't use combs that often. So I've been using this pick in the last couple of videos. Wouldn't recommend to use a pick, but my paddle brush broke, or it just completely just ripped apart, and I don't know where a comb is, so I just have to go to the store and get an actual comb instead of a pick. So just starting at the ends, really slowly working your way up, because your hair is dry, so that's why you put some type of moisturizer on there, like shea butter, some type of heavy cream or oil, is up to you. Sometimes I use castor oil, or else I use shea butter. If I use shea butter, that means that I'm going to blow dry my hair if I'm stretching it out like this. So that's why I like to use shea butter. And then I will put it in a bantu knot just so your hair don't revert on itself. And then I will start detangling the first section. And my phone keeps going off. It keeps going off. So after I get done detangling the back section, I will put more and more shea butter. Like I said, I needed to use better product to make my hair a lot softer. So that's why I'm trying to like really moisturize my hair right now. So I am going to detangle this front half, and then I'm going to braid that section back up. I'm just showing you guys how much hair I lost in that back section. But I am going to re-braid it, and this is the trick of making your braids look like longer than what it was before, because I don't know what it is, but when you braid your hair and then you let it dry up, it like shrinks up so bad. And then when you take the braid out again, comb it out, put a little bit more product on there, your hair is a lot more like longer. It looks a lot more thicker and it doesn't look so dull. Well, that's the case for my hair. So like I said, this is the way that I stretch my hair and make my hair appear to be a lot longer if I am wearing these braids, or else if I'm trying to go for another look and I don't want to use heat. Another tip is, if your hair is like really dry, like mine is dry, I will probably do this step 2 more times. So I will put it in these braids. I didn't show you guys this whole step because it would take me like 2 weeks to get this video finished. But me just explaining to you guys, I will just put my braids back in my hair like I'm braiding my hair at the end of this video, and then probably a week later I will take it down. By the way, my braids were in my head for a week to get my hair fully dry. So I will wait another week, take my braids down after I stretched it this second time and then just stretch it again, and my hair will get longer and even softer, and you would no longer see none of my pattern in my hair like whatsoever. So that's just a really quick tip. If you want your hair to be more longer and more softer, just repeat this step several times, probably like 3 times. That seems to be the golden number for me when I stretch my hair like this, but that's just if you don't care about rocking the same hairstyle for about 3 weeks or so. But you guys know I don't mind a protective style. So this is how I've been wearing my hair, seriously, you guys, since I went out of town at the end of May, and here it is the middle of August now. I've literally, no, that's a lie. That's a plumb lie. My sister braided my hair, and I had that hairstyle in my head for a month. So from the end of May to probably the end of June, I had the French braids in the front and then the box braids in the back. And then from June, like the end of June, July, and now the middle of August, I've been having my hair in these 2 big old braids, and I've been loving it. I haven't had to do much to my hair, so just a little heads up what I'm going to be doing next. I don't know how soon the video will be up, but I am making my mini twist video, just a updated mini twist video. So that's what I am going to be doing in my hair next. I've been extremely tired, you guys. So like this right here, like me just braiding my hair like this, it was a task, like, and especially because my hair wasn't blowed out or flat ironed, it was a task because my hair is so thick, and then trying to get my fingers actually through my whole head is like, wow. And like I said, I just kind of really learned how to French braid or cornrow my hair. So yeah, it's quite hard. This is quite tiring, but I'm just happy that it's only 2 big old braids and it looks pretty decent for a while, and I don't have to worry about doing much to my hair, just making sure I keep it hydrated. So yeah, you guys, after I get done braiding this section of my hair, you're gonna see like the way is a really big difference from the left side to the right side. Like there's a huge difference in length. So if you're having problems with shrinkage or length, you guys just do this method and you'll be on point. So I really hope this helps you guys, and I really hope you guys like this video. I am kind of talking through the entire video just a little bit more to further explain. Hopefully I'm explaining really good, but as you guys can see, the little raggedy short braid on the left, and then you see how nice and stretched and shiny my right braid look, and a little hairball on my shirt, like, yeah, get that off. So you guys, this is the end result. Like I said, if you have a problem with shrinkage, please try this. You will not be disappointed. Even though I'm not the best braider, it still looks pretty good to me, and it works. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Bye, guys.